around the city of Sapporo, and today I'm going to be driving to the flower towns of Hokuryu, Biei and Furano because that's where all the summer flowers are blooming this season. So the first thing we have to do now is head to get our rental car. Renting a car! Woo! Card slot. This is for the toll. For tourists, it's a fixed fee. Let's go. After a 2-hour drive from Sapporo, I finally arrived at my first stop today, which is the Hokuryu sunflower fields. It's really windy here, so my hair is like all over my face. But this place is called Himawari, which means sunflower no sato, the sunflower park. And they also have factory tours during the peak periods of the sunflower season. But right now, because we don't have fields and fields of sunflowers, but only patches because we're here at the tail end of the season. So that's why I don't think there are any more tractor tours because there's not much places that have the sunflowers anymore. But yeah, I'm still glad that I got to finally see a sunflower field. And we're also having lunch at the Sunflower Park restaurant. Sunflower ice cream! Full day of driving, we finally arrived at Furano Base. It belongs to Ryoji, who's a ski instructor who gives out lessons during the winter, and during the summer he also rents out his Airbnb. So we're gonna go check out his place. It's a really pretty 2-story house. He has 1 room on top and 2 rooms at the bottom, and a really pretty backyard for barbecues. But we're not gonna do any barbecues right now because we're gonna go out to Furano City to make sure that we get some of the best specialties. It's dinner time. I'm going to be having some local Furano beef wagyu at Kumagura, and it's going to be shabu style. The aftermath. And that's how they like it. Good morning! It is day 2 here in Furano, and because today is our only full day in this mountain town, it's going to be a very long day. We're going to head up north to see the very famous blue pond, which is, well, they say, always a beautiful blue. And then we're heading on to the other mountain town of Biei to have a look at the patchworks around the area, have lunch there, and then we're gonna go look for flower farms. So that's our itinerary for today. Let's begin our road trip. Our first stop today is here at Tokachi Dake, also known as Tokachi Mountain. It's an active volcano on level 1 alert apparently, according to the signs at the bottom of the mountain. But we're only going to walk up to the viewpoint, which is this stone right here. I don't know actually what it says, probably the name of this mountain range. It's beautiful here. You can see the views of the mountains in the distance. You can also see the city and surrounding forests as well. The last time the volcano erupted was in 1989, but because of the level of activity, they actually built a facility here around the area to protect people in case of a sudden eruption. Here at the Shirogane Blue Pond, it's really blue because of the aluminum inside the pond, and on a clear, windless day, it actually looks like a mirror. Standing on the bridge overlooking the beautiful Shirahige waterfalls. Now these waterfalls actually form from water gushing out from the rocks, and these rocks are made from the lava flow from Mount Tokachi Dake million years ago. And now we're back in the car and we're heading to the next town, Biei. The most prominent feature of Biei is its landscape. Just check out the patchwork of farms all like sewn together, so beautiful. In Biei, they have a lot of standalone trees in the middle of the farmlands, and they love giving cute names to these trees like the parent and child tree, the Christmas tree, and so on. Here at our lunch place, it says 1976, so I think that's how long the building has been here. So Biei is famous for its curry udon, and that's what we're having today. So I'll be driving everyone around the Shikisai Park, and we're going to start now. After a whole day of walking, it's time to get some coffee and some of Furano's best cheesecake. This is shinya. I'm here at Ningle Terrace this evening, and it's an arts and crafts village made out of 15 shops selling the cutest wood souvenirs. So yes, I'm gonna walk around, enjoy the fairy lights, and well, get myself some souvenir or two. And it's been a long day, so our final destination tonight is to have curry omelette here at Yuga Doksan for dinner. Can't wait to try their specialty. Apparently, curry omelette is one of Furano's most famous dish. Hello! 5, yes. Thank you. It's a very windy third day here in Furano, and also our last day in town. And our first destination today is at the beautiful farm Tomita, which is, I think, the town's most popular flower farm. During lavender season, it is beautiful, but unfortunately, there are no more lavenders, as you can see. They are all gone, but there are many other flowers, all colorful and all to see. And I can't actually wait to go around the farm and also enjoy the wind this morning. Lavender ice cream! Come here and try out the melons, because Hokkaido melons are said to be one of the sweetest in the world. Melon time! So I just bought the half melon. I'm gonna go and get ice cream put on top of it. So we're gonna get the Furano milk and melon ice cream. My melon ice cream! Let's go enjoy it. You can find lots of Furano produce here, from the fruits like the Furano melon and the watermelon to vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes, and even onions. And then of course you have the souvenir shop where you can buy cookies and little like snacks to bring home. Finally, we're heading to our last stop here in Furano. Guess where it is? And it's the Furano Cheese Factory and all things cheese. And the cheese factory ends my tour here in Furano. I had a great 3 days, 2 nights in the city, visiting all the flower farms, gorgeous scenery, and of course the mountain range here in central Hokkaido. And my next stop on this summer tour is going to be at an onsen town. It's also known as the Hell Valley, and that's coming up on my next vlog. But for now, if you want to find out more about what I did in the towns of Furano and Biei, you can head on to my blog at shewalkstheworld.com. Click on the link above or the link below. This is Min. Thanks for watching.